In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage JavaScript settings in Google Chrome. This is a useful skill to know, especially if you're troubleshooting issues with certain websites or want to have more control over how your browser interacts with web content. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, make sure you've opened Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome up and running, the next thing you want to do is head over to the very top right corner of the browser window. Here, you'll see three tiny dots arranged vertically. Clicking on these dots opens a drop-down menu that gives you access to various Chrome features and options. From the drop-down menu, you need to select the Settings option. This will redirect you to a new page where you can tweak a variety of settings for your browser. Once you're on the Settings page, focus your attention on the left pane of the screen. You'll see a list of categories here, and for our purpose today, you need to look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now, as you click Privacy and Security, the main section of your screen will display various options associated with it. Here, you'll want to identify and click on Site Settings. Why are we going here? Well, Site Settings is essentially where you manage permissions and behavior for specific websites, including how certain web features are handled. Once inside Site Settings, keep scrolling down until you come across the section on JavaScript. This section is pivotal as it gives you control over how websites use JavaScript on your browser. Now, JavaScript is a programming language widely used to make web pages interactive, so enabling or disabling it can significantly alter your browsing experience. When you've found the JavaScript section, you're presented with a couple of straightforward options. If you want to allow all websites to use JavaScript, all you need to do is select the option that says, Sites can use JavaScript. This choice ensures smooth operation of most web features and interactive elements you're likely used to. On the other hand, if you decide to disable JavaScript, you'll select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Choosing this option can enhance privacy and security, but might also limit functionality on certain web pages, potentially causing them not to load as intended. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage JavaScript settings in Google Chrome. Depending on your needs, enabling or disabling JavaScript can give you a better browsing experience tailored to your security preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn about.